Guys, I am telling you right now, not just because I'm another 24-year-old marketing quote-unquote expert or whatever, or marketing sales guru. It's rather because it is so efficient, especially if you get familiar using it. I use AI every single day, not just for my business, but also for my personal brand, for the way I'm able to separate thoughts and think more unemotionally as a man and a human and a business owner. I am telling you, the greater you get at using ChatGPT for SEO, for your marketing, for accounting automations, all kinds of things, the more free you will become. It's just becoming more and more obvious to me the gap that is coming to the people that are able to use AI to their business's advantage and to those that do not use it to their business's advantage. Now, in saying that, there is a way out, especially if you're time poor, but you understand that AI is important, and I think I have a solution for you. So many of you that have been watching this channel, are familiar with mega communities? And what a mega community is, for those that are watching, is a group of, it's not a group rather, it's a group of high intent buyers, customers, individuals, participants, fans that want to work with you and then your business. In the mega community consulting program, there's now a module that also involves AI, particularly for the use of SEO. This already has helped my agency a lot, and we were already doing multiple six figures a year without this much usage of AI. But I can assure you, if you implement even a third of the things that you would learn through Mega Community Consulting, which is a 6-month program where we show you everything you need to never need a marketing agency again after 6 months, and you use the AI, a third of the AI segment, you will be able to wipe out mass amounts of the competition without having to spend heinous amounts of money on ads. And it's not because I have some sort of golden key that's going to make you $1 million next month. It's because there's an cumulative effect of when you're using some of these processes over 3 months, 6 months, or especially a year. You do a third of what I'm going to tell you in this thing for a year, you will smoke your competition. Okay, there's no reason me as a 24-year-old I'm able to generate this much revenue with my agency, and we're going to be going for a lot more and my other business ventures because of a lot of the tools my team has been able to put together in terms of SOPs, so standard operations and procedures, roadmaps that you can use time and time again with AI to crush. If you want to learn more, click the Mega Community Consulting link in the description and you will learn all about it and book a call with one of our team members or myself. Speak soon, take care, stay ahead of the game. It's go time.